Today was a long ass day. Had a lot to do with the car wash. First thing, we had to get our internet back on and our phone line back on. Got that taken care of first thing this morning. And then the second thing we had to do for our pit, being that from the previous owner when we bought it, they didn't clean the pit from the last washes. So we just have like a whole bunch of buildup from all the previous washes from when we first bought it. So me and my boy trying to clean out the pit until we realize that that pit is more than what we can do and we need some professional help. But that was a challenge in itself. Got that taken care of, got the pit guy in. So we did the internet, we got the pit dude to come in. We got, our building inspected. So we got the building inspection done. We had to make sure we had our sprinkler system going. Had to make sure we had fire extinguishers, no loose wires, all that stuff. Checked a couple of my equipment, make sure everything was all good. Passed that with flying colors. And then the last thing that was the most tedious thing, I won't even say tedious, but it was the longest thing. It took me over 4 hours just to get so far. And most of that time was spent on the phone, on hold. So right now we're just gonna have a default wash until we get the chains fixed. Once the chain is fixed, then we'll be able to do certain things. We gotta upgrade some of the software because some of the software is a little bit outdated. So once we be able to do that, we'll be able to have all our packages set in a line as to what you can pick to wash your car with.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us.
It smells like oil, doesn't it? Do you smell that?
Well, it could be grease that collected from all the cars.
Yeah.
You gotta think brake dust, brake fluid. Just as we sprinkle.
Your phone's covered too. Off I go.
Did the bag rip?
Yeah.
You wouldn't know because your feet is probably cold right now.
They're so cold.
Do you feel like you're on the ground roll or are you still on the...
I don't know. I can't tell.
I would say,
I literally have no idea.
should I vacuum?
Maybe? It'd probably help. Oh, I just heard it unsuction from the ground. I think somebody lost a piston in here.
No way.
There's like a shit ton of metal. Let me see what this thing is. Hold on.
Need a water drain? Oh, you see how fast that water coming?
Yeah. Oh no, this is a lid to something.
Oh, probably coffee.
No, there's no hole.
Oh.
No idea what that is. Maybe, actually?
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
definitely plastic. No, just a lid to something. Yeah, maybe drain the rest of that.
Let's get here.
When they get here. What'd you say?
So that's a corner. That's a deep pit.
That's what I'm saying. Like, my feet aren't on the bottom right now. There's still like a whole nother foot under me.
And what's worse is you can't really move in the bag, right?
No. My feet only go this far apart.
No.
So, yeah.
All right.
Oh, that whole thing is gonna go. It's definitely leaking right now. Out the side. I would, honestly.
Take the bag out.
Yeah.
The bag out. Oh. Done. This shit was just done.
Buy a car wash, they said.
Right.
It's a great business opportunity. I'm 3 feet deep in shit. This is what you're getting yourself into. Not for the weak. So, what now?
I'm gonna dump it in there.
Fair enough. Hopefully that thing doesn't shatter now when you pick it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna dump it this way.
Okay. Oh, pull back. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. So,
I think this might be a...
bag and then just like lay it out, open it and slide it in.
Yes. That's what I was gonna do. That's why I said we gotta wait till that shit comes. Damn, so now what?
Good question. Oh yeah, it's coming. It is, right? In where? Heave! Oh shit. I feel like that's the only way we get this done in a reasonable time.
If it's a bigger hole.
That thing sounds like it's fighting demons right now.
Damn. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Wow. Stay on the lookout. I appreciate everybody's support. Make sure y'all hit the like, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, and share the channel and my journey with your friends, family, neighbors, and the community. And let's all grow together.